I was not ready for that.
WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey, every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next day's weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially when alarm tones, will vary at any given location. This variability normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. Residents in the southeast New Jersey, Burlington, Cincinnati, Cumberland, and Ocean, including the Atlantic coastal waters from Mammoth, Swanee, New Jersey to Cape and Lopez, Delaware out 40 nautical miles, and all of Delaware Bay. This concludes the weekly set of NOAA Radio All Hazard, station KHB38 in Atlantic City, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard. WXJ94 in Lewis, Delaware. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazard.
Well, you could have warned me, dickhead.